Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here with a really quick review for you guys. This is a very simple polyurethane, aka plastic, hard case that you can buy for your Roku streaming stick, which I recently got. And I felt that since I've been on the travel with it so much, I actually first used it in a hotel while traveling, so I figured it's about time I get a nice case for it. So this is what you would probably find for pretty much any other case of this caliber, like this Amazon Basics case that I have for my backup drive. So the outside is, again, this kind of woven mesh material, and it's reinforced with some hard, I assume, plastic. And then inside, though, has this nice felt soft lining, which is pretty good, so it won't scratch up your stuff. In terms of the outside, it has a single zipper, so unfortunately it's not a dual zipper, and it has the brand right there, Khanka. But at this such a small case, I don't think you really need to worry about having double zippers. It does come with this lanyard, which is really cheap, but it gets the job done. You can easily unhook it if you didn't want this in the way. It'd been nice if this had been like an R, if the brand name began with an R just to represent Roku, but it's K because it's a Khanka. But anyways, that's it pretty much for the exterior. In terms of the inside, it has the left part has a mesh compartment, as you can see here. This part I like to put the smaller items that I think will fall out more, including my Roku streaming stick. This is the regular 2017 Roku streaming stick, but it can fit the larger Roku streaming stick Plus, which is meant to play in 4K. As you can see, there's plenty of headroom here. And I also keep the HDMI extender that you can get for free from Roku as well on the left side. And finally, I have the USB power brick in case the TV that I need to plug into doesn't have a USB port. And then on the right side, there's a single elastic strap to hold in your slightly larger items. So this is where I hold my USB cable, the one that included with my Roku streaming stick, as well as, of course, the remote right here. So it's a good size. It's just the right thickness. I'd say it's about maybe 2 inches thick, so that whatever's on this side isn't banging up against what's on the right side. So that's nice. My only little bit of a qualm that I have with it is that the product that I got didn't really match the listing. As you can see in the pictures, the right side actually had an additional foam padding underneath and also an additional strap. So you can see this is only one strap on the right side. But it's not a huge deal in my opinion. It still gets the job done. Because there's so much space above here and because my streaming stick is so small, sometimes this does come out on its own. So it's not really the fault of the case. It's kind of a more generic size. You could probably fit a bunch of other stuff in here if you really wanted to, including probably a backup drive, to be honest. But this does fit my needs, which is my remote and then my other accessories with my Roku streaming stick. So I'd say give this a thumbs up. My only downside, I think, with this is just that it didn't match the listing, which I had bought this equipment for originally.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.